Everyone is wearing dad sneakers, and that is because they are very comfortable, they look very good, and third thing, they are very versatile. You can wear it with a lot of different outfits, and that is the reason they are hyped. That is the reason people are loving it, and that is the reason I have made this video. In this video, I'm going to show you all top 5 dad sneakers. One is under 5,000, one is under 4,000, one is under 3,000, one is under 2,000. And one is again under 5,000, I believe. So yes, I'm super duper excited for this video. Let's go. What is up, people? This one come your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I'm very much excited for the first sneaker on this list because it is a ASICS pair. Again, they are known for their dad sneakers vibe, I'll say. Like, they do some really good stuff, and I am super excited about this particular pair because I love this pair a lot, and I have been suggesting this pair to you guys from a long time now, and I believe you guys have bought it, but still, for few people who don't know about this pair, this is for them. Let's go. So this is ASICS Gel 1130, a full mesh upper sneaker in that cream, brown and chrome colorway, and this is what I call the perfect dad sneaker because it is very much comfortable, it is very light, it is very breathable. You can go for a long walk in this as well. You can spend a whole day on your feet in this particular pair and this will not hurt. This pair has great quality, great detailing all over it. I just love how the pair looks. I just love the silhouette of the sneaker. And most importantly, this is one of the most selling sneaker from ASICS right now because everyone is wearing it. It is all over the internet just because it is that good. It is so much value for money. And talking about the money, this is the most expensive sneaker on this list. And from here on, every sneaker will be lesser in price. So this will cost you exactly 4,999 rupees. That is a very good price that I have got it for. So yes, I have linked it in the description. You can go and check it out. Now talking about the second sneaker on this list, and I am genuinely very excited to show and to share this sneaker with you guys. I just want you guys to know about this pair. I just want each and every individual watching this video to know what this brand is and what capability they have, and I'm just hyped about this pair. So let's unbox it and then we'll talk. So this is Saucony Shadow 6000, a well-built premium quality sneaker which is very comfortable and will look really great on any outfit. Yes, I know a lot of people, a lot of you guys don't know about this brand, but it is a well-known brand outside India. People in India don't really know about it, but few people are getting to know about this brand. And talking about this particular pair, it is a great sneaker. A full nubuck upper with that mesh on the toe box and on the side panels, and that vintage cream midsole on it, and overall that royal blue colorway. It is just a beautiful looking sneaker, and most importantly, you get two different laces on this sneaker. One is that creamish lace and other one is that blue lace which matches with the sneaker. This is going to be a really comfortable sneaker and fits true to size, and I got this beautiful pair for 4,654 rupees. That is a very beautiful price for this particular pair. Now moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and it is again from Puma, and it is a beautifully different sneaker. Let's just see the sneaker and then we'll talk. Let's go. So this is Puma Pwrframe, a very well designed, very well structured sneaker in very subtle colorways but with a very bold lace and a back heel on it. Everything on this sneaker is very subtle apart from the laces and the back heel because this is in that bright fluorescent colorway and that really pops. Apart from that, everything on this sneaker is very subtle. They have used orange here on the side panels and it is very subtle. Like, it is not popping, it is not into your face, but this laces and the back heel is bright, and I don't know why they have used that specific colors. I feel it is complementing somehow somewhere there, but it is not something I would rock with. But this is a very beautiful, very comfortable sneaker. I just love the designing on the sneaker, the material used on it. They have suede, mesh all over it. So this is just a beautiful sneaker, high quality, great quality sneaker from Puma. and I love what they have done with it. This is a comfortable sneaker. This again fits true to size. You can really wear this sneaker for long days, and this will also make you stand out. Definitely people are going to talk about the back heel on this sneaker as well. Just have a look at it. It looks mind-blowing, and it is something like people will ask you what is it, why it is there, and all of that questions. And the most exciting part, all of this in a package. I have got it just for 3,299 rupees. That is almost 3,300 rupees. That is a mind-blowing price for this pair. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, it is from Puma. It says soft ride, comfort is yours. And that is what all we need in a dad sneaker aesthetic, right? Like, this will be comfortable, and let me show you the sneaker. I'm excited. Let's go. So this is Puma Hypnotic LS, a very beautiful chunky looking sneaker with very subtle colorway on it. And yes, I'm really not sure how to explain this colorway, so let me just read the color description written here for you guys. So it says Alpine Desert Dust Cucumber. Yes, that is what it says. If you do not believe me, just read it here. I hope you can see that. Yes, that is the exact colorway of this cucumber. Why is it there? Okay, so talking about the sneaker, this is a very subtle, very cute, very pretty looking sneaker in my opinion. It has mesh, it has suede, it has leather, it has very decent subtle colorways. I am not a fan of that specific green on it. I just feel it is more pastel, and I am not a fan of pastel colorways. For some reason, I personally don't like that. I feel it makes the sneaker look dull, but on this pair, it is making it look simple, pretty, clean. And that is what I liked. I love the chunky midsole on it. And one more thing, the insole in the sneaker is very soft. The sneaker is very comfortable. This fits true to size, a very subtle colorway. If you want something like this, you can definitely go for it. And when you hear about the price on this pair, you are definitely going for it. I got this sneaker for 2,520 rupees. Like, that is a steal. Now let's see the next sneaker on this list, and it is again from Puma. I know we have 3 sneakers on this list from Puma, but when you talk about sneakers around 3,000 rupees, somewhere like that, Puma has the best option. You can never go wrong with it. If your budget is around 3,000 rupees, if you need any white sneaker, chunky sneaker, comfortable sneaker, anything like that, Puma is your best option. And this sneaker, I don't know how to explain this, but the price I have got it for, it is impossible to get. But still, I am going to show you guys the sneaker. Let's see. Let's go. So this is Puma Teveris Nitro Metallic. Amazing looking chunky sneaker from Puma in that specific grey colorway with suede and mesh all over it. It is fire. This sneaker has that big laces on it. It has suede, it has metallic hinge to it, it has mesh all over it, it has the chunky midsole to it. You have everything in this specific pair. It is just a beautiful looking sneaker which has comfort, which will go with 99% of your outfits, which is very aesthetically pleasing to the eyes and very neutral and very versatile. I cannot elaborate it more. This is how a beautiful sneaker looks like, and it is from Puma, and I have got it for 1,999 rupees. That is it. Like, under 2,000 rupees, you are never beating this sneaker at this price point. Go and check it right now. So I have got all the sneakers from Amazon. You can go and check it out right now. They have some great pricing there. Like, I'm just loving it. And if you want to see some budget alternatives of some crazy hyped sneaker, watch this video here. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.